everybody, somewhat girly here. Zoom out a little bit because why not? With my next unboxing for Ipsy for the month of May. That's what we're in. It's a little late. Sorry about that. It was in my P.O. box. I do have some add-ons this month. I had a lot of points, and last month they had a shortage in the style of bag that was supposed to come out. So they sent out random ones to people, but I was able to get it as an add-on. I don't know how they did that. That was fun to open. I think I also got a lipstick. So let's pull everything out. Okay. Put that off to the side. Let's see here. A lot of stuff seems to be outside the bag. Okay, so here is the add-on. This was supposed to be the bag last month. I really wanted it because daisies are one of my favorite flowers. And also because of the little charm here. It's so pretty. It has Ipsy on the back, of course. But I really, really wanted it. Oh, it was already open. Whee! Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I like the feel of it and everything. All right. And the other thing was, I think this lipstick from Yensa, I think the name of it's called. If that is it. Supposedly, it is a nice makeup brand. I've never heard of it. Sorry, I was off camera trying to figure out if I need to open it with like a thing. All right. Is there a color on here? You guys... I don't know why. I'm incapable of opening packages. How do you... Oh, it's one of those! Oh, you push this? Oh, that's so fancy-like. Okay, so... Oh, wow. Okay, if I like this color... Ooh, that is a nice color. I picked it. I don't know why I didn't know I liked it or not. Let's put it over here because we're going to be doing other swatches. Ooh, that is going to be a nice nude lip. That's the front, right? Or is this the thing? Wild Beauty. Okay, that must be the... That's the theme. Wild Beauty. All right, let's put that aside. Okay, first thing in the bag. Hemp's something. Oh, it goes along with the grooviness, huh? Pomegranate body butter. Let's give it a sniff, why don't we? Okay, so it doesn't exactly smell like exactly like pomegranates. There's always like that floral scent that a lot of hand cream. It's a wet formula and it dries tacky. Not one of my favorite like lotion, like type of lotion. I like a drier lotion, but it's got a good smell to it, and it's supposed to be a body cream. So there we go. All right. The other thing outside of the packaging looks like a pair of tweezers. Who are you from? MOTD, which we get a lot of brushes from. Okay, out of the packaging, it's got one of these little gaskets around it to keep it closed. They're, you know, the slanted point, good for pulling out hairs from your chin, your eyebrows, everywhere. Okay, now onto the bag, which is very floral, very purple. Very beautiful. The zipper pull here is the... It's either gold or rose gold. We get either or. So the two items that were already... Oop, I forgot to put that in the frame. Already in the frame. There we go. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, looks like we might have gotten an eyeliner. Which, you know... Oops. Black Magic. Who are you from? E. They're from E. I'm going to assume it's an eyeliner because aren't they always? Alright, it is a liquid eyeliner, which I zoomed in pretty closely so that you can see me do the thing. Swoop. Ooh. Oh. That's brown. That I was not expecting brown. Let's take a look at this again. Cocoa Edit. That explains it. That's unusual. I did change my profile settings a little bit. Oh, there it is. Okay, we have got another squeezy tube. What are we? We've got gold on black. I'm thinking mascara. Let's try to zoom in a bit more. Maybe, who knows? Unleashed. Volume and curly mascara. I wasn't wrong. I wasn't wrong. Alright, do you have a brand? Who are you? My first Wander Beauty product! Oh, I'm sorry. I really didn't mean the holler. I watch another content creator. Her name is Alexandria. I will link her down in the description. She's great at unboxings, but literally she gets this in so many subscription boxes that it's like they follow her around. I have never gotten a Wander Beauty as far as I know. I do not think. But now I get to try a product of theirs. Alright. Let's see what kind of brush you got. Oh, I didn't know there was a thing. Ooh. That is a nice curved brush. The video can end. Alright, let's see our last item in here, which is a box of something. Let's see here. Say plum something. The something melts. How do you open? Is that a tear strip? Well, that didn't tear right. Okay, let's see here. Whoop, whoop. First of all, that's cute packaging. Nah? Yes. Okay. Candy melts? What's a candy melt? Here, I'm going to get a little closer for myself. Let's see here. Vegan lip balm. Ooh, berry feast. Let's give it a sniff. That smells so good. Looks like it might be a little tinted. Let's get some more just to show it. Maybe not, but does it taste as good as it smells? Because, you know, there's a factor. There is a factor. It's sweet. So, what do we think about this? Because I am in love with it. So, let us test that. Okay, I'm going to do it. Like, you always see people, like, do it from above, and you're like, oh, they didn't really touch it. You can see me really rubbing that, right? Hey! Nice. That stuff is really nice. Okay. So, yeah. What do we think about this month's bag if you made it this far? Tell me what your favorite item was. Whoa. It's day one. Day one of YouTube for me. Yeah, tell me what your favorite item is. Thank you for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.